our customers. It's a challenge to create a comfortable environment on the public bus. So we use to highly close power DC compressors. Compared with the AC compressors and inversion solution, it consumes up to 20% energy, not to mention to serve 50 cases in 8. It can go in further and bring more profits to its owner. We are proud to be the first industry to use electric expansion drive. Electric expansion drive benefit is made to guarantee the super performance.